Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your website. As you can see, once you log into the website, you will be able to see these options here at the top to go into English or French. I added the new stuff, as you can see, so when I go to the next one, you're able to see the new things. I added this part as well, that you can simply change the text, pictures, or whatsoever. You're able to change the English part and the French part separately. So now, in order to get it started with the editing, all you have to do, just simply go to the bottom of the website, press the login button. Once you're there, use the username and password you're provided. The username and password will be sent to you in the email. Then press the login button. After you're logged in, you will see the profile. Forget about it and just simply go to where you want to make the change. So now we go to the home page as an example. So on their home page, you will be able to edit any part as you wish. For example, if I want to change this, I just put my mouse there and you will see this editor icon. If I want to change this, just like that, I'm able to change any one of these sections one by one. So as you see, I'm under French section now. So I made a copy into the French section. So let's go down and see. Here, if I want to change this, I click on this. And let's try with one of these ones. Now I want to change the who we are. I want to change the title and I want to change the text. So all I do, I press this edit module button, the edit icon. So the new page will be open. So here is the title of this section. So since I don't know the French word, I'm not going to change it, but let's say I put exclamation mark here, and at the bottom here, instead of the period, I put the exclamation mark. So here is my editor, which is just like the Word Microsoft Office. As you can see, I'm able to add pictures, links, or make the text into bold, italic, make it center, left, right, or whatsoever. So for now, I'm gonna go back to how it was original. So once I'm done with the editing, I can press save or save and close. Right now I press save and close because I want to go back to the home page. As you will see, if I go to the bottom, the exclamation marks are just added. Very simple. So this will apply to the English part and the French part as well. So let's say if you want to change anything in the English part, all you do, go back to the English section, log in again, and then press the edit button anywhere you want to make a change. Before we go to the product section, let's try out one more time. For example, I want to change this please select your language into a French sentence. All I do, I press on the edit modules button, which appears when you put the mouse there. And now, as easy as that, you are able to change this into whatever language that you want. Once you're done, just press save and close. Now, I don't want it to be saved, I press cancel. I'm going to now show you one more practice and then we go to the products. For example, I want to change the text here above the meat. All I do, I press here. So once I pressed, after a few seconds, I will be able to see the Word Microsoft Office online. And then I can add anything I want and change the picture. So here, that's the text. As you remember, this was written on the home page. I put few space because sometimes when you save, you will see when it's starting from the top, which is right here of this section, it's not going to look very nice. That's why I added one space in here, which is right here. And then after you translated the text as you want, you are able to change the picture here. By clicking on the picture, you can simply edit it or resize it as you wish. but let's go to the same thing. In order to change the picture, all you need to do is just anywhere you want to insert a picture, let's say above this, you will be pressing this button, insert or edit image. When you press that, it will take some time to bring up this page. Now, if I want to upload a new picture from my computer, all I do, I press the upload button, browse it from my computer, let's say this one, double click on that and then press the upload button. Once it's uploaded, the system will automatically take you to the picture. So as you see the URL is empty, click on the picture once and the URL comes up, and then press the insert button. The reason this picture looks big is because this picture is very huge. So now, in terms of seeing it better, I drag it and resize it to whatever size I want. If I wanted to go to the side, I click on it once, I put the side. Just like that. Now in the center. Once I'm done with my work, I just press save and close, or save to stay in the page. But now I don't want it to be saved, I press cancel. Now we are going to do product page. I added beef, lamb and other products temporary until we are able to add more products. For now, let's try with beef. The same thing will apply to all other about us, beef, lamb, other product page, all of them. So now we are going to try with the beef. So under products, I simply press on the button called beef. After clicking on that, in few seconds, the page will open. Forget about how it looks right now because we're going to work on this. So in order to get started in editing, all I do, because I'm logged in, I am able to see this thing, just like every other section of doing editing. So now I open it, press on the edit button, and I'm able to have the same Microsoft Online Office. Alright, so once the page is open, the services one, as I put as a sample, will be deleted, and let's say I put it on the center, make it bold and write, as an example, steak or T-bone. So let's have the T in capital, and then below that I put a sample picture of my product. So all I do, I press on the insert image button, and then I press upload, and then I add the picture that I want. Let's say the picture is very nice, just like this. This is just a sample picture, right? So I select on this, and I probably will have it here because I've uploaded that once. So let me look for it right here. So I insert. So I put it in the center, T-bone, and below that I start writing the detail. So I can write it on the left side or in the center, just the way I want in the detail. And once I'm done, I will put this button here to make a line to add the second product. So the second product will be the same thing. We just add another picture of the beef. So the same thing. So I write the name here to whatever it is, make it bold, and below that we write the rest of the thing, the rest of the detail for this product. And as you know, they are all sample. Whatever I'm doing is just for you to see how it works. And then just like that, we can do rest of the things. So all you need to know is the title, the description of each product, and you need to have 1 or 2 photos you can put beside each other. If you want to add another one, just simply click there, another picture basically. All you do is just, let's say you want to put one beside this, and I copied this one just to save time. I add the second one just like that. When it goes to the second line, so what we do, we put them so once we're done, we can press the button called save, as you know. So the page will be saved and the products will be appearing the products will be appearing the way they should. So you are able to put the picture on the left side, the text on the right, all in the center, or whatever you like it. So you can even do the other way. Put the picture on the right side, all the text on the left side, and just the title above. But in terms of doing that, all you have to do is just you need to prepare them on that Word Microsoft Office that you know how to work with. So the same thing will work with the page LAM and other products. Under other products, for whatever you temporarily have, you can insert them there. The page reviews. For this page, people are able to write reviews for you. So once they start writing, you will have an email, and when you check, you're able to publish them. They can even rate you. And when you're only logged into the website, you have this 4 options. Number 1 is to edit. If let's say somebody writes something wrong, you can simply edit. The second one is to delete, that someone doesn't like your service or something and write not good about it. So you can simply press on this button to delete the content. This one is to edit the content. And the last one is to publish or unpublish. Under About Us page, the same thing as products, beef, lamb, and other products works. So all you do, as you know, you will see this because you're logged into the website. If you forget to log in, you won't see this. So when you press on this and then press the edit button, you're able to edit everything under About Us. So here, as you can see, this is another example. So we've got the text under About Us page. As you can see, you are able to simply translate them into French, or under English version of this website, all you need to go, just press the English, go to the About Us, at first login, then go to About Us, and then do the same thing. Press on the edit icon on the right corner. So here, you're going to translate them into French and just simply type them. Once you're done, just press the save button. If you want to use any other picture, all you do, press on this picture and then press the delete button. And as you can see, there's no more picture. To insert a new one, you will just simply press on the insert edit image. And now you do the same as I was teaching you before. So here, once this page is open, as you know, if you want to upload a new picture, all you do, just press the upload button. After you save the picture from internet or anywhere, if you even have it yourself, browse it from your computer, select the one you like. Let's say in this case, I select this one, because this is something not uploaded on your server yet. So you just double click on it, it will come here, and press the upload button. So the system, once it's uploaded, will take you to the picture itself. Remember, click on the picture once to see everything written here. So click on it once and then press the insert button, and the picture comes here. Even though if it's bigger, you don't worry, because your website is mobile responsive, it will automatically resize the picture. So in this case, I don't want to save this. I just simply press the cancel button in order not to save anything. There you go. So now, let's say we want to change the content, the English content. So all we do, press here. And as you can see, after I went to the English website, there won't be any /French And now the same thing will happen here. Remember, when you change the beef, lamb, or other products, or about us, or any content in the website, they will not be translated, or any changes will not happen under French. So they are completely separate. So when you even use this picture as an example under English, you can use another picture here. And even as you can see, I don't see that small icon here. The reason is I'm not logging in the English section. I'm only logging in the French section. So all I need to do is just log in again here. So which I'm not going to do that now. I go back to French section. So I'm under French. Here is the French, as you can see, or I can click the French section at the top of the English to get here, to get back here. So now, because only I'm logged in, I'm able to see each editor for each section, as you can see that. And by clicking on that, you're able to simply change them too. Each section has this in a different part. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to translate the buttons home, about us, products, reviews, and contact us, because as you can see, we are under French section. And as I told you, you're able to simply do the same thing if you want to edit the contents for English section as well. But remember, the text on this slideshow, you won't be able to change them the way I was teaching you. Even though you will see this icon here, you're not able to change the text like that. For these ones, I would suggest you send me the text that you want me to replace, and at any time when I get a chance, I'll replace them for you. I hope this video was helpful. In case of any question, just simply give me a call or email me. Thank you.